Hi everyone, it's Daniel here from Automotive Talk. I'm just going to do a quick video today on vinyl wraps. I've got the M3 here. I've had some problems with the window surround, so I've had areas of rust come in over time. The car's almost 30 years old now, so I've decided to take the old trim back, get rid of all the rust, and then I've put this wrap over the top of it. I got the product from Styling Vinyl Wraps, so they were local to me in Bayswater in Victoria. So I'm by no means a professional, but I think for my first attempt I did quite well. Just following the line up here. I did have a few areas that are a little bit tricky, trying to get the right overlap, because it goes in behind there, and trying to stick it down so it doesn't lift up again. I sanded all that back. It was bare metal once I was finished sanding it back, so sometimes you can be left a little bit short up the top. So in that respect I tried to have a bit more material to overlap. I think overall I did a pretty good job. This trim piece that goes up between the two target panels on the 300ZX has looked like this pretty much since I bought it back in 2018, so the focus of today will be to vinyl wrap this centre piece, see how it comes out. So this piece is quite loose already. I've found the best way on the M3 was to use a Stanley knife or blade on the trim to get it off. So only after about 2 minutes of work I've managed to remove that old trim piece there. Other tools that I use, I found a really sharp scalpel to be quite handy, small pair of scissors. So the next step now, what I'm going to do is clean it all up. On the M3, to get rid of some of the old residue, I used eucalyptus oil. I also found this product here, which is good to use on the M3. I'm also going to use this soft cloth. There's no goo on here or any residues, but I'd like to clean it up anyway. So I've managed to clean that bar. It's looking pretty good now. There's no residue on it or anything, so the vinyl should adhere to it pretty nicely. I've got the vinyl here. I've got a good piece here. Just be careful if you do this job. I'm storing the vinyl. It can be quite easy to put little marks in the surface, so just be wary of that before you start your job. I've just stuck the first bit down. All you need to do is take the vinyl away from its backing, so it's quite easy to do. I've left quite a bit of vinyl overlapping. I found on the M3 the right way to do it. I don't know whether it's right or not, but I just gradually pulled it back and went down a line like this, and as I go down I smooth it through. Doing it this way removes any chance of contaminants getting on there and showing through. It's located where I want it to be now. As I said before, the good thing about using this product is you can pick it up and reposition it without damaging anything. I've stuck that down. It's in a pretty good spot. I'll check over it, see if I can see anything coming through, but it looks pretty good. As I said before, the good thing about using it is if you're not happy with it, you can lift it up and reposition it without damaging your paintwork. I've just worked in pretty close to where I need to be now, so I've just got a few final little adjustments to make and then it should look good, hopefully. Just about finished up now. I think I've done a pretty good job. The edges are the hardest part. Sometimes it can be hard to know how much of the overlap to leave. It's also hard to get a real tight edge sometimes, so I'll do some further work on that, but that's pretty much ready to go now. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, please share, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.